Hey everyone, back with another dog biscuit treat video. This one we're going to make with some meat and some veggies and some broth. I have some homemade broth. You can use store-bought, but look and get a good brand that has, whatever ingredients you want or don't want in it. Now I have some baby food, and these things were great. They were just about $1 a piece. And we got organic sweet potatoes, organic carrots, and then an organic appleberry blend. Has some blueberries and stuff in there. All good for dogs, healthy, antioxidants, stuff like that. And then this is just a chicken thigh, boneless, skinless. It's about ½ pound of a chicken thigh. So it's really simple. We're just gonna get everything into our bowl. And basically we're gonna get all our ingredients in. Then we're gonna add some flour. And then we're gonna add as much broth as we need until we get a good consistency, kind of like cookie dough batter. We might not need much broth since we got really liquid ingredients here. We'll probably add in a little bit at least. And I just estimate you can add more and less flour as needed. I just pour some in. Probably about a cup or so to begin with. And then since this is so liquidy already, I'm just going to throw in a little bit of this broth. I'm sure I'm probably going to have to add more flour, but we're just going to keep mixing this around and adding more flour or broth as needed until we get a nice cookie dough batter consistency. So I just added flour that one extra time, so 2 times. You saw how much I put in there. And now we got a nice batter that's thick but not overly dry. And we're just going to scoop this up into as big or small pieces as you want. I like to just do about a spoonful. And we'll just spread these out. Have your oven preheating to 350. And this is what we get. We're going to throw them in the oven now at 350 for 30 minutes. Here's our final product after cooking. See all the chicken in there, and then all the other vegetable and fruit ingredients are just mixed in with the flour basically. Go ahead and give some to my dogs and see how they like it. Have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment below. We'll see y'all later. Okay. So you can keep these in the fridge for about a week. I often will freeze treats I make like this, and especially if I make a good amount, and then I'll just take them out, a couple out, and then feed them a little bit later, like half hour, hour later once they defrost a bit. Prince is a slow eater. He's going to get this for sure. Then we'll go feed it another one to my other dog, Jack. Prince isn't as good as my dog with bigger things, but it's good. It takes him a second to eat treats, which is nice. My dog, Jack, just, oh geez, it's going to be like 1 or 2 bites probably. All right, Prince, we'll let you finish it. Go see how Jack likes it. And here's Jack, super excited. Okay. Up. You're gonna run. You're gonna run and hide in your cage, eat it. Yep. Just got 2 little pieces on the ground. If you can find them, they're over here, man. You got 1. Here's the last one. Yeah, I think he finished it pretty quick. There's 1 more piece. You cray. There you go. All right, see you guys later.